And let me just tell you excuse me, I'm spitting. I'm so excited. Let me just tell you the savings that I'm.
Blackjack, black bottles with the black cards. Only nigga that you know with two NASCAR.
Hi guys, it's Jay, and I'm back, and I have an exciting video. I've been waiting on this for so long. So I ordered some new glasses. I haven't ordered glasses in maybe 4 years, but my cousin ordered some glasses from them and they looked gorgeous. She has so many. I think she may have gotten 3 styles. I think she has. Sam prefers her glasses, and she just reminded me that, you know, they have a lot of discount codes. They're very friendly. All this is in third, and I've already like started opening it because I'm so excited. And this way you guys get my honest and full reaction to the company, because I've never tried them personally. I spent my own coin on this. The first pair of glasses cost $27. These are also prescription glasses. I can't see for the life of me without a prescribed lens. So everything I show you, contacts, glasses, shades, unless I'm wearing contacts with the shades, assume that it is prescription. And then the second pair of glasses were $19. Then when you're a new member, they send you an email and they say within your first 24 hours or first 48 hours, you can get a discount. Now, they don't take it away from you if you just don't order in that first amount of time. Like, you get a chance to go through it. They do take a long time to send you a new one. However, they are going to send you one, and they send you discounts throughout the month. Nothing, though, I think compares to that when you first buy your glasses. And then once you get the glasses and you see how much you save or how little they cost anyway, and then how little the amenities cost also, it really will be nothing. Like, I'm going to order glasses again from them. If these turn out well, I honestly may order glasses from them again regardless, just because I've never seen glasses this cheap. Like, I've been wearing glasses for a good part of my life, and glasses are expensive. I got standard shipping. I ordered these on April 2nd, and I got them today. Today is Friday the 13th. I'm really excited because the style of these are like the coolest glasses I've ever picked out in my life. So we're going to start with glasses numero uno. And so I looked in the bag. That's why I kept looking down. They all come in this little baggie. There feels like something's in here too. Oh, okay. So they send you the nose feet, a key ring so you can put the screwdriver on there, and you got little screws in here. Okay, so there's a screwdriver in here with a little keychain. You got the nose plates, and then these little things are screws. They come with screws. And then they have this cute little glasses case. It says Firmoo on it. Firmoo. We're going to go with that. And this is actually a nice case. Nice little padding. And my glasses are individually wrapped in this little baggie. Oh, you know what? I'm going to take these off. Okay, so I think this is the cool pair. This is the pair I was so excited about because they just look so cool online. These are clear, and I'll link the styles of these glasses down below. Ah! Holy smoke. These are so dope. These are like, it takes a little getting used to just because I don't think I've ever had a glasses frame this big. But I am liking these. These are the ones I was most excited about. Okay. So the second pair really isn't that interesting, but it's something that I'm used to. I'm used to having black glasses, so I did just go ahead and get some black glasses. I only got 2 pair because I still do wear contacts just because I get the most out of my makeup that way. They also send you this pupil distance ruler. I don't need that, but it's good to have because they actually do ask you what your pupil distance is on the website. Oh snap. So inside of this one, I got an exclusive 50% off. So I'm just going to put them in my description box. And then just like the other pair of glasses, it comes with the screw, another dust bag, and a case. Alright, another plastic bag. I figured these would be like my leisure glasses because I do wear contacts the most. These are so pretty, like in person. And I got some black frames. Wow, like, and you know what's really crazy is my old glasses are so scratched up. Like, I don't think I've seen this clear through glasses in a long time, which is also why I wear my contacts. Well, I wear my contacts so often because I usually have on makeup. But, like, I prefer to wear my contacts even if I don't have on makeup because they were so battered. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys, I also can't see myself. So, like, I don't know what I look like right now. Ooh. Oh, you must know this. On the website, you can upload a Face 4 picture of yourself and virtually try on the glasses. So I'm pretty secure that these glasses look good on me. Like, I'm not worried. I look rough in general, so excuse me. I'm just so freaking excited. So I just can't wait. So really quick, I think I'm going to go look at the glasses on me. Okay, so I tried on the glasses and I absolutely love them. Absolutely, they look so good. I think these are going to be like my dress up glasses. So if I want to wear a little bit of makeup with my glasses, or even if I just want to do some brow makeup, fresh face, probably just going out, these are going to be the glasses. And then these are going to be my downtime glasses, like just being home, just not doing anything, kind of how I look right now. Formood doesn't take insurance on the website. However, they do send you an invoice that you can send to your insurance, and your insurance can reimburse you. I don't know if it works with every insurance. So that is it for this, guys. I'm so happy that I got the opportunity to actually order glasses for Formood, and I'm actually glad that it worked out because I was really worried that I was going to have to send something back. But I absolutely love these. These look so good. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get rid of my old glasses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.